welcome back to Talking Wishes. How are you all? In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all a kurtis haul that I ordered from Amazon last week. And सबसे अच्छी बात about these kurtis are कि these are 6 kurtis for only 1250 rupees. I mean, yeah, it is insane. और these kurtis basically remind me of those W की kurtis जो एक कुर्ती used to be like 1200-1300 but ये 6 kurtis का पैक है and these are perfect for office wear और घर पे भी even housewives can wear it क्योंकि summers हैं तो थोड़ा पतला stuff है, light stuff है, आप घर पे आराम से पहन सकते हैं, ऑफिस में भी आराम से पहन सकते हैं. So let's get started with the video. I hope you guys like this video. This was the haul from Amazon and I have a giveaway because I am going to be uploading 7 videos in this week. Every single day a new video will be coming up. So subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell icon with the subscribe button so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And also stay tuned for the giveaway. I'm going to be announcing it on the 7th video which will be uploaded on the 7th day. And also for the rules, go and check out the description box below. And for the kurtis link, I have provided it in the description box. Go check out that also. And you can also check out other variety on Amazon. They have amazing kurtis and that too in very reasonable prices. So I will also provide those links in the description box. Go check out and take care. Bye bye.